Imagine spending hours trying to crack the code of making money online, watching video after video, testing trend after trend, and yet no real results. You see others building their businesses, growing their channels, hitting those six-figure milestones, and you wonder, why not me? What am I missing? The truth is, it's not your imagination. I've been there too. And most people are focused on the wrong thing entirely. There is a powerful habit that successful online entrepreneurs practice, but that's rarely spoken about. The truth is, it's not about working hard or chasing the next get-rich-quick idea. There is one habit that separates those who succeed online from those who give up. And once I discovered it, everything changed. So today, I'm going to share it with you. Trust me, I've tried all sorts of different ways to make money online. Like, you name it. Truly, if it exists, I've likely tried it already. And here's the truth, most people fail. And I did too, more than once. Why? Because I was caught in the same mindset trap so many fall into, chasing the easiest, fastest way to make money. I'd spend hours binge watching YouTube videos, and let's be honest, they are addictive. Titles like, I make six figures a month with print on demand, make you think, if they can do it, surely I can too. Or Amazon KDP, publish your book in seconds and make money while you sleep. But that's exactly the mistake. For years, I approached every idea with a mindset of, this will be the quick, effortless way to make a fortune. And that very thinking kept me stuck. But here is the shift that changed everything for me. I stopped asking, how can I make money quickly? And instead asked, how can I create value for others today? It sounds simple, but it reframed everything for me. Imagine taking off a pair of dark, cloudy glasses, the ones that make you look at everything through quick money lenses, and putting on bright golden glasses instead. Suddenly your focus isn't on what you can get, but what you can give. And when you do that, money becomes a natural byproduct. Now, what does creating value look like? For me, it often starts with content. A YouTube video like this one, for example, is value, but it can also mean writing a newsletter, creating a free guide, or even sharing your knowledge inside your private community. And sometimes it's even more personal. You can reach out to someone and offer to help them. Reach out, help them for free. Don't expect anything in return. I can't even tell you how many times I've done this. Like, I have just reached out and helped people, or I have done things proactively without being asked. A little while ago, I met a woman who was completely overwhelmed trying to set up her Printify shop. She had the products, she had the ideas, but the technical side felt impossible for her. Now, I could have simply pointed her towards a tutorial and wished her luck, but instead I rolled up my sleeves and set it up for her completely free. We jumped on a Zoom call and spent 2 hours together, from connecting her store to uploading designs to making sure her listings were polished and professional. I did it all. She was absolutely stunned. She couldn't believe someone would take the time to do that without expecting anything in return. But here's the point. That's what real value looks like. And gestures like this, helping someone purely to make their journey easier, have opened doors for me to clients, collaborations, and opportunities I never could have predicted. Creating value can also be as small as encouraging someone, giving thoughtful feedback, or simply cheering them on. Never underestimate how much that means to someone. Sometimes people don't need a strategy or a solution. They just need to hear that they're doing well, that their effort matters, that someone sees them. A thoughtful compliment, a few words of genuine praise, or even just cheering someone on can shift their entire day. That alone is value, and there are so many ways to take it further. For instance, I ask myself daily, how can I create value for someone today? Often that means sharing knowledge, like making a YouTube video such as this one, but it can also mean creating free resources like guides, checklists, or trainings that help someone take their first steps in business. And if you look in my description box, you'll find several I've created, all with the same question in mind. How can I make this truly useful for someone? And here's the most beautiful part: when you focus on creating value freely without obsessing over what you'll get in return, the rewards have a way of finding you anyway. Those free resources eventually attract clients, partnerships, and opportunities. That's exactly how it has worked for me. And I can say with absolute certainty, if you make value creation a daily habit, money and success will flow to you in ways you never imagined. So, my question is, what can you do today to create value for someone else? It doesn't have to be big, it doesn't even have to be perfect. Just start, because when you make value creation a daily habit, you'll be amazed at how doors open, clients appear, and income flows to you almost effortlessly. So remember, don't focus on chasing money, focus on creating value, and money will chase you. Thank you so much for watching. Leave your questions in the comment, check out the free resources below, and watch this video next, because I know it will inspire you even further.